Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the visual frame and intent. Use vertical 9, 16 and 1080 times 1920 so viewers get sharp detail. Composition matters, so enable the grid. Once framed, set exposure around 60% and stabilize your device. Steady shots read as professional. Record a clean opening hook within the first 3 seconds to grab attention, because retention drops fast. Make sure your message is one clear idea. Tease, deliver value, and hint at the call to action. Once done recording, move into tight editing. Trim clips to 7-12 seconds so each beat feels intentional, and cut dead air ruthlessly. Shorter segments maintain momentum. Add captions for sound-off viewers, then layer 1 to 2 subtle branded stickers and a single CTA sticker so viewers know the next step. Color grade to match your feed. Consistency builds recognition. Finally, preview at full speed. Adjust timing if captions or stickers block important visuals. Now publish strategically. Pick the 30-60 minute window when your audience is most active and schedule if needed. Add one targeted hashtag, a location tag, and an engagement sticker like a poll to boost interaction. These small extras increase reach. After posting, monitor analytics for the first hour and save top-performing stories to highlights. If the upload fails, compress to a smaller file size, aim for 8 megabytes or less, and retry. That usually resolves most posting glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.